Thank you for tuning in to the Forza Doors product showcase this afternoon. I'm here to discuss all things Forza and why we've chosen to be an early stage partner with the FireDNA system. Why we think the technologies it brings to the industry is going to be a revolutionary leap in certification. One that will not only simplify but greatly improve traceability. My name is Alan Brown and I'm the Sales Director at Forza Doors. For those of you that don't yet know us, here at Forza Doors we specialise in the preparation of wood veneers and timber for the production of doors, frames, panels, associated joinery. Our current main markets are in the commercial interiors construction sectors, including office, educational, health and retail. Having many years of experience, our production team has developed products and techniques to support the demountable partition and dry lining market. We provide fit-out contractors, joinery companies and their clients with a superior range of veneer or laminate doors and frames, timber partitioning, fire screens and panels. We aim to tailor our service to our project needs. We understand that lead times are crucial and that events on site can compress lead times further. When starting Forza, Philip, Nick and myself wanted competency and compliance as the foundations of the company. Choosing to align Forza to industry associations like the GAI highlight that competency and compliance was essential to the way we wanted Forza to be seen. Our current square foot footage of production space covers 45,000 square foot and a showroom space in Camberwell in London. Ideally located, the showroom offers designers and specifiers a great opportunity to get hands-on with our full range of samples. Our ranges of veneer and laminates have something to complement any project. When it comes to ironmongery on Forza Doors, we want our customers to have access to the widest possible range of services and products offered by the GAI members. Our neutrality is important to us. This is why we do not have exclusivity deals with any ironmongery supplier. The next two videos will give you a greater insight into new product development for the hotel and residential sectors. The Forensic range of products has been designed to allow Forza to compete in the hotel and new build residential sectors. We have had third-party testing undertaken on a range of access control systems within our fire-rated door solutions.
The Forza Forensic range of fire-rated panel door assemblies has been engineered specifically for the hotel refurbishment and new build sector. Classic or modern designs may be created from a choice of multi-panel arrangements, utilising a large selection of mouldings that complement the full availability of Forza veneers or paint finishes. The guest room door demonstrated here incorporates one of a number of electronic lock products tested by Forza for 30 and 60-minute fire performance. Tested locks house all components, including the reader and mobile access board, enabling the lock to be programmed for keycards or guests' mobile phones. Also available are the optional house maintenance high-security mechanical override key cylinders with or without cover plates. Exiting the room may be by thumb-turn mechanism or the quick release function. As the door closes, the room is automatically locked. Aesthetics of the Forensic range are further enhanced with the use of a completely concealed door closing system, utilising Tectus 540 concealed hinges, combined with the Powermatic R108 jam closer.
The second video will highlight our PAS24 offering, delivered fully assembled to your projects. These doors sets are tested with varying ranges of essential ironmongery, up to 60-minute fire performance and acoustically rated to 43 dB. In addition to the fire and acoustic testing, we have also gained full Secure by Design status. with great assistance from the GAI and Doug Masterston, Forza has prepared a fully accredited REBA CPD on the installation of the fire door assemblies and associated ironmongery. You can access this CPD anytime online within the GAI's website under the title Education Hub. The CPD lasts for 45 minutes, so we cannot go through this now, but we have prepared a collage of the points it covers along with a short video extract from one of its 5 video segments.
Install and fix the lock cylinder and escutcheon as per the manufacturer's instructions. Apply the lever handle to the spindle and the cover plate to the rose.
We would be pleased to support any joint initiatives that the GAA members would like to undertake in the promotion of this CPD campaign. The importance of competent manufacturing, installation procedures and compliant product testing is becoming more and more recognised as a key element of any new build or fit-out project. Since Forza started its journey, we have looked to ensure that product certification and education on correct installation procedures was visibly made to the marketplace. I'll now give you an overview of some specific developments that Forza has made in support of this. Within the fire certificates that are sent out with every fire door, we are very prescriptive about what can be used and what has been tested. This is because it's vital that both the specifier and installer completely understand what ironmongery can be installed in order to avoid invalidating the fire certificate. To allow the installers to fully understand what needs to be installed and to overcome any international language barriers, we have created an installation guide based upon the IKEA concept of pictorial guides. The easy to understand graphical guides feature a fictional installer character which we have named Tsar. Here at Forza, we're always looking at the ways new technologies can improve upon what we offer. The world of digitalisation has progressed within the construction industry. We have identified a need for full traceability of all passive fire products in the built environment to benefit from digitalisation. You will see how this latest development allows all stakeholders in a building to have accessible information on passive fire products in the built environment. Forza Doors will be the first company that will input this new concept into all the fire doors it produces into the marketplace. The FireDNA system uses a scannable RFID chip which is embedded into the door. The associated software allows installers and fire inspectors to input critical data on all aspects, including the ironmongery used by manufacturers during testing. This allows inspectors the ability to check that the door is compliant with the test results, receive notifications for inspection deadlines and more. FireDNA is a separate member of the GAI and be contacted directly for more information on its products and services.
At FireDNA, our mission is to provide all stakeholders, including the public, with accessible information of passive fire products in the built environment, whether it be home, workplace, school, hotel, leisure or medical facility. We all need to know we are safe from fire at all times, when in established properties, new developments, or in environments undergoing refurbishment. Construction product information relating to compliance with fire regulations, competence of installation and life cycle maintenance of all passive fire products needs to be readily available and easily accessible for everyone in the chain of responsibility. Building owners, landlords, tenant management organisations and facilities management companies under current and impending UK legislation have a duty of care for the fire strategy and compliance of their buildings. As such, they need to know the immediate status and manage the ongoing maintenance of all of the passive fire products within their property portfolio. This is where the Fire Data Notification app enables access to clear, accurate, up-to-date and unambiguous product performance information. The FireDNA Smart Chip, embedded by manufacturers during production or contractors during installation, or by building owners on their legacy components, provides the link to this critical data. A quick scan connects the Smart Chip to FDNA cloud-based software, a secure environment that hosts manufacturers' specifications and installation guides, through to contractors' critical installation checks, fire safety inspection reports, and ongoing maintenance records, accessible to all with a single swipe of a smartphone. Together, we can ensure properties are compliant and safe, and the current status of every passive fire product installed is available for all to see. From architects, contractors, building owners and their insurers, to tenant management organisations, maintenance teams, fire inspectors, and ultimately the public that live, visit, or work in those buildings. FireDNA, monitoring passive fire products, delivering construction product information straight to your fingertips.
I think you will agree the FireDNA system, the concept of the golden thread of information highlighted by Dame Judith Hackett, is upheld. This is why we have chosen to be the first of what we hope will be many adopters of FireDNA. Just time for a few of your questions before our time is up. So I'll hand you over to Jim White, our Associate Technical Director.
Thanks, Alan. I've picked out some questions here that I think will interest many of you, so let's take a look. What is the difference between a fire door assembly and a fire door set? Well, a fire door assembly is where all of the components that comprise the installation come from separate entities and are brought together on site and fitted together to become a complete assembly. Whereas a fire door set is where all of the components that comprise the installation come from one single entity, including the door leaf, the frame, and all hardware. With a door set, the items can still be delivered separately, for example, the frame first and door later, but they must all come from the same entity. Can any hardware be used in fire doors if it has been tested by the hardware manufacturer? Well, any hardware item intended to be fitted to a fire door should always be checked against the fire door manufacturer's guidance to ensure suitability. Now, each fire door manufacturer have their own guidance regarding what is suitable in accordance with their test evidence and certification requirements. Can FireDNA incorporate ironmongery details? Well, yes, FireDNA will incorporate ironmongery details. Full specifications and listings of the items can be inserted via the app. Thanks for your questions. If you have any more technical queries, I can be reached at jimwhite@forza-doors.com. Back to you, Alan.
Well, it's been a pleasure presenting to you today. Should you wish to contact us, you can find all of our info on our company page. I look forward to meeting with you in person soon. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.